So yeah, I've been financial fighting again, and it is as bad as it looks too. But you should see the other guy. Okay, so let's go back in time. Without realizing it, I've been taking a slow, long-term beating. Last year, I, like so many of you, had to have my roof replaced after it was beaten up by hail. Now, I had previously set my hail deductible at $4,500. Kudos to me for paying that last year, and kudos to me for having total replacement cost coverage, not actual cash value, because that meant that the rest of the expense for that very expensive roof replacement had to be paid by my homeowner's insurance, and kudos to them for doing that. That, however, is where the kudos end, because also like many of you, my homeowner's insurance has been going up and up. Recently, I started wondering, shouldn't some of that increase have been mitigated by my brand new roof because it has less of a risk of failing? So I chatted with my insurer by text, which I love because now we've got the conversation in writing. I asked them, when do your records show my roof was replaced? Okay, so the correct answer is 2023. The partial credit answer would have been 2009-ish when it was also replaced. The absolutely incorrect and impossible response would be 1992. They answered 1992. I don't know where they got that. They don't know where they got that. Anyway, I demanded a recalculation of my premium and what my insurer might owe me now retroactively for their long-term mistakes, and they responded, "We'll update the roof age, but there's no discount for new or younger roofs." When they told me that, I punched my own eyes. I mean, come on, guys. The age of the roof, which is one of the most expensive components of a house that affects a lot of other components, is a huge factor in determining risk and therefore premiums. A simple Google search tells me that. Insurers have told me that. The Texas Department of Insurance tells me that in this explanation of how insurance costs are calculated. It's right there. And I even immediately found an article published by my insurer that said a new roof could lower your premium and that roof age is one of the biggest risk factors for a home. I escalated to a supervisor there and they confirmed, yeah, it matters, and my rate will be adjusted. And again, I'm pushing for retroactive adjustment since they were wrong with the previous replacement date and then wrong again when they paid a lot last year for a new roof and yet still thought that my roof was 32 years old. Now, if yours has been replaced in recent years, and a lot of them have, you might want to check the insurance company's records, and if their answers are nonsensical, go up the food chain. Still to come tomorrow on Daybreak, since we are in spring severe weather season, what can and can't be held against you by the insurance company? We're talking home and auto. Meantime, if you face this and you can't get resolution with your insurer, you may be able to press them by reporting certain issues to the state. More info in today's article that I've posted at Jason Wheeler TV on Facebook, X, and Threads, where I'm always fighting, to keep us right on the money.